It's frustrating, isn't it, to constantly be self-conscious about your man boobs, especially on days when you're out at the beach, hanging out topless with friends and family, or constantly hoping others can't see them through your shirt. But what if I told you you could transform those fluffy man boobs into a muscular chest? Would you believe me? Well, you should, because your life is about to change. In today's video, we're going to discuss how to get rid of man boobs and build that muscular chest you've always dreamed of. Are you ready? Let's dive in. Research shows that resistance training and smart dietary choices can reduce body fat while preserving muscle. When excess fat causes male breast expansion, focusing on building chest muscles can make a big difference. Cardiovascular exercise helps burn calories and reduce fat. Weightlifting helps build muscle and shape your chest. Together, they help you lose your body fat and develop a stronger, leaner chest. Building muscle also boosts your overall metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. Some workouts and activities that can help you get rid of man boobs and build the muscular chest you truly want include: Number 1. Barbell bench press. Here's how to do it. Set your barbell on the rack and position yourself for a medium grip. Lift the bar and hold it straight above your body. Breathe in as you lower the bar to mid-chest. Exhale as you push back to the starting position. Lowering the bar should take twice as long as raising it. When finished, return the bar safely to the rack. Number 2. Pec deck machine. Here's how to do it. Before sitting, select your weight using the sliding pins. Adjust the seat so the handles are level with your chest. Sit down, grab the handles, and bring them together as you exhale and contract your chest. Return slowly to the start as you inhale. Keep elbows slightly bent and your back arched. This ensures you target your chest, not your shoulders. Number 3. Push-ups. Here's how to do it. Maintain a strong plank position with engaged glutes and core. Keep hands not too wide, elbows tucked, not flared. Lower your chest just an inch above the floor. Exhale and push back up to plank. Once you can do 15 to 20 clean reps, start experimenting with variations and half-rep schemes. Number 4. Inverted row. Here's how to do it. Set a barbell in a squat rack or find a stable bar at chest height. Position yourself underneath, body nearly parallel to the ground. Squeeze your glutes, engage your core like holding a plank. Pull yourself up to the bar, squeezing your shoulder blades. Imagine pulling the bar down to your chest. This helps activate your back and chest together. Other cardiovascular activities that can help include walking, running, jogging, team sports, high-intensity interval training, cycling, swimming. According to the Department of Health and Human Services, adults should aim for 150 to 300 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per week, or 75 to 150 minutes of high-intensity exercise per week. While weight and cardiovascular training are important, it's also important to make dietary changes. The best dietary changes are small and sustainable. Drastic overhauls are hard to maintain and often lead to regaining lost weight. The CDC recommends losing weight gradually, around 1 to 2 pounds per week. Gradual weight loss is not only more sustainable, but it also improves long-term health. Start by keeping a food journal. This gives insight into what you can cut out and what nutrients you might be missing. The CDC also recommends eating whole raw fruits and vegetables whenever possible, using low-fat cooking methods like steaming, boiling, or baking, choosing whole fruits over fruit drinks or juices, replacing less nutritious snacks with fruits or vegetables. By consistently incorporating these exercises into your workouts and making dietary changes like the ones we've discussed, you'll get rid of man boobs and finally build that muscular chest you've always desired. Did you learn something new in today's video? Leave a comment below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you, and we'll see you in the next video.